Hello friends, good morning. Today we will be looking at how to take inventory opening balance in Odoo version 19, especially when the stock is tracked by lot and serial number. So how we can do that? Let's run that real example for taking opening inventory. So I have set up the perpetual inventory valuation with average costing, and this is my valuation account. And here I have prepared a sheet also which is matching with my costing method, the category, and the inventory valuation method and stock journal. And then second sheet is about product master with its traceability made by category, and valuation lot number is enabled. And then lot and serial number and its respective cost is also given here. And then this is my final stock count with respect to a given lot and serial number, which we will import one by one. So let's jump into practical aspect and see how we can manage this. This is my blank database, so there is no entry as of now. And then we don't have any product category which is given over here. So first I will start with product category import. So I'm going into inventory configuration, and then I also need to enable the multi-step as well as units and packaging and loads and serial number, because these are the required field. And then on my location I need to set the adjustment account. Once these things are done, we are good to go to product categories, and then we can also check units and packaging. Yes, units are available over here. And let's go to category and do an import. So I'm picking the sheet with product category. Everything is matched. I'm testing and just import. So two category is imported with my given Excel sheet, and all these things are settled over here. Now second step is we need to import our product master with its unique properties. So I will go to product and product main menu, and then I will jump into import records. I will select the same Excel and jump to my product things. Now I have to go to cell unit. So let me check. So over here we need to map according to the Odoo standard. So I'm going into another sheet and then going into product. So if I'm creating any new product, the packaging is now the field which we need to map over here. So I'm searching for packagings to map, and then purchase unit of measure. So cost per unit. So this is the field which we need to map again. So if I go and select unit, and then this is my product category, and now I have to enable like lot and serial number. So we need to map that particular field over here. So this valuation by lot and serial, we are testing, everything seems perfect, and we import. So now it imported 10 records, which are 10 records over here. And let's take randomly like wireless headphone by unique serial number. So let's check wireless headphone, ordered quantities by unique serial number, and valuation is on, and it is part of serialized product. So everything seems perfectly imported right now with my product also. Now the key thing over here, you need to import product wise lot and serial number master and then its respective cost. Then only you can import the final count in adjustment. So we are now going to import load and serial number master record. So I'm going into load and serial number and import my record with the same sheet, going into the third subsheet and matching my products. Then load and serial number with that product. And then it's cost. Everything seems valid and boom, it's imported. Now we can verify load L123426 is there, HDMI cable is the product. So HDMI cable L1234 and 26 is the cost, perfectly imported. Then let's check power adapters, M123 and 100 is the cost. Power adapters M123 and 100 is the cost. Everything seems perfect. So now we are going on to the final step where we have mapped product with respective load or serial number and its counted quantity. And this is the final step where we go into operations and physical inventory and import our record. Selecting same file with subsheets, location is there, product is there. Now we need to map with load and serial number and then counted quantity. Let's test it and import. So this now product adjustment is ready with all our masters. Let's go and apply in bulk physical inventory, opening balance as on today, and then let's update the quantity. That's it. Now if we go to accounting and reporting and balance sheet, now we can see our raw material has been added with all the stock, and the counterpart account is the adjustment account is now credited. So if we go to our inventory and product, now we can see 3 units of 4K TV is there with unique serial number. So 4K TV with unique serial number, 3 products are already added and everything seems perfect with its respective cost. So yes, this is how you can make a complete import of your product category, product, load and serial number master and real count inventory as an opening balance with this process. If you have any question, do reach out to us on techvaria.com or my LinkedIn or YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.